Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're continuing to explore the use of ArcGIS solutions for door-to-door testing of new variants of the virus. We've seen what the dispatcher's interface looks like, so now I'd like to introduce you to the testing team's perspective. These are the people who are using their mobile devices to carry out and record the COVID tests for every address that they've been assigned to. I'm doing this from an iPhone, but it works just as well on an Android device. In this app, the map should look familiar from previous videos. Every dot is an address at which we want to conduct tests. If I were currently in this area, it would show my live location, which is helpful when I'm trying to navigate towards the appropriate addresses. I could also choose to load sections of my map for offline use if I'm working in an area with no mobile signal. Here we have a list of homes that have been assigned to me. I've sorted my assignments based on their priority level, so here is all the critical assignments. But I could also choose to sort them by distance from my current location so that I can plan out a logical geographical path to follow for conducting the COVID tests from door to door. So let's pretend we're at this address and we'd like to start gathering information. For this, we jump into the Field Maps app. And as you can see, it brings up the form with the 3 blocks of questions: pre-test settings, subject identity confirmation, and test administration. I'll write down myself as the test administrator, and today as the date and time of the testing, which is the default suggestion. I'll fill out the subject identity confirmation with some fictional answers. You can see that for the name, the alphabetical keyboard comes up. For date of birth, the date-time format comes up. And for phone number, a numeric keyboard comes up. So these are all fictional answers. And I've configured the form so that if I leave any field empty, it won't be able to submit. For the test administration, we've got another numeric question. And for the type of COVID test that's being conducted, you can choose from a drop-down list to select either a rapid antigen test or a PCR test. And based on that, you can fill out the test outcome. So in this case, testing and awaiting outcome. Now, once finished, I can scroll back to the top of the form. And if needed, I could attach a photo or a file to upload proof that this test has been conducted. Now, when I press submit, this survey entry automatically updates the empty spreadsheet that I showed you in the first video, and we can mark our testing as completed. That was a quick overview of how the testers out in the field can interact with the map and contribute information towards it. In the next video, we'll fast forward a few days and show you what kind of visualizations and analytics we can create once the door-to-door testing in this area has progressed. Thanks for watching.